Hello everyone again. Just finished pumping again this morning. And as you can see, I have my favorite cup with me while pumping. I'm drinking my cup since I need to pump early because our power supply here in our area is not that really good. So you need to catch up the time when people are not using that much of electricity. So that's it. I'm just giving an update of my routine again this today and going again a walk because it's important. Okay, so maybe I'll try to give you some of the glimpse here as to what our plants are so you can see the reason why we have to pump water. Okay. Okay, here it is. It's our ampalaya, bitter melon or bitter gourd. And we need to water it a lot since it loves water. That's the quick update for now. See you later. Please like. Bye-bye. Thank you.